Ever started creating a Gusto time-off policy and immediately felt lost with all the accrual options? Learn the exact clicks to build a customized vacation policy in under 4 minutes. First, we'll open Gusto's time and attendance. Then, we'll configure the policy settings, from accrual type to activation. First, open Gusto. Then, click on Time and Attendance. And then click on Time Off. From there, click on Add a Policy. Then choose Add Time Off Policy. Start by typing in a policy name. Choose Paid, which is the most common option. Now open up Accrual Type to decide how time off is earned. For example, you could click on Unlimited, or click on Hours Worked instead. Next, toggle on Holiday and PTO hours. Then click Next. Now select your reset date. Click Next. Then click Next again. Type in the earned hours. Then type in the paid hours. Click Next. And click Next once more. Finally, click Activate. Then click Leave Policy. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.